In this video, we will show you how to fix your Instagram broadcast channel option not showing. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to understand that Instagram offers three profile types such as personal, business, and creator, and all Instagram accounts start as a personal profiles by default. Now you can choose to convert a personal profile to a business or creator profile at any given time. Now, because of the limitations from Instagram, your profile type determines your access to the Instagram features available, right? Now, that includes, of course, the broadcast channel option. Now, if you can't see the broadcast channel option, it's one of the many things in your account. It could be that you need to have a professional or creator account for you to be able to have a broadcast channel option. All right, that's one thing. Now, you also need to check your Instagram profile type. All right, is it going to be a personal profile, which means account type, or a creator profiles, which means you have a creator tools and controls. All right, here you can also set up your Instagram business account. All you're gonna do, or go to it's either you can switch from your personal profile to creator or business profile. All I'm gonna do is tap the three lines option in the upper right corner and tap on the cog icon, settings and privacy, and then the account type and tools. Now you have the option to switch to professional account, all right, or a creator account, and pick a category that best describes your business. If that's a type, then select business. But if you're looking for the creator type, so you would be able to have the broadcast channel option, you should pick creator type. All right. And once you are all set, complete your profile using the tips below. Create account. Now, if you are still having problems, like, you know, you created that creator account and still the Instagram broadcast channel option is still not showing, the next thing we should do is simply on your mobile device, go to the help center. All right, contact an agent that will help you solve the issue on fixing your Instagram broadcast channel option, which is not showing how many times you have tried already. Okay, the best thing for us to do right now is to contact them, and then once you have an access, you can start broadcast channel from Instagram inbox. Upon sending their first broadcast channel message, you know, your followers will receive a one-time notification to join the channel. As soon as the broadcast channel is live and you have fixed that option, now, you know, creators can also encourage followers to join by using the join channel sticker in stories or by pinning the channel link to their profile. All right, and that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.